Everything you think makes your cat love you. The treats, the toys, the expensive cuddles. That is not what actually builds deep trust. Real feline bonding happens in 6 small daily moments most owners completely miss. Skip them, and your cat quietly pulls away from you over time. Get them right, and your relationship changes forever. Today on Feline Minds, you will discover the exact secrets to unlocking total feline trust, including a passive habit at the very end that works better than anything else on this list. Let us start with the first essential habit, maintaining a consistent schedule every single day. Have you ever noticed how your cat wakes you up at the exact same minute every morning? That is not a random coincidence. Your cat has your entire daily routine fully memorized. To a feline, a predictable environment equals a secure environment. Their entire sense of peace is rooted in knowing what comes next. People assume true affection consists only of big gestures like treats or new toys. But to an animal whose ancestors survived by controlling their territory, unpredictability feels like danger. When your schedule changes constantly, you quietly keep their nervous system on high alert. On the flip side, when your rhythm stays steady, you send a clear signal that they can finally relax. So that predictable daily routine is the fundamental key to making your cat feel safe enough to bond with you. Out of all these essential habits, the one action that secures your cat's loyalty most intensely requires zero active effort. It is so subtle that almost everyone misses its significance. Keep watching until the final point, because once this idea clicks, the way you sit in a room with your feline companion will change forever. The second habit is engaging in the exact predatory chase your cat secretly craves. Why does your cat ignore a high-end toy for weeks, only to suddenly sprint after a stray hair tie at 2 in the morning? It happens because that random object moved in the exact right way. Deep down, your cat is an agile hunter operating on ancient instincts that follow a specific sequence: stalk, chase, pounce, and capture. When that sequence never plays out, your pet remains restless and unfulfilled. A stationary toy represents dead prey, and dead prey rarely triggers true hunting drive. Drag a wand toy slowly along the rug like a tiny rodent fleeing for safety. Let it dart behind a couch cushion, pause, and then bolt out of view. Watch your cat's eyes dilate as they freeze in place. Here is the vital detail. You must allow them to succeed. A hunt that never ends with a physical capture leaves a feline stressed. Let their paws make firm contact and celebrate a clean victory. When you provide that thrilling rush and satisfying conclusion, you become their trusted partner. Before moving forward, if these practical behavioral insights are helping you understand your pet on a whole new level, click the subscribe button and join the Feline Minds community today. By subscribing, you help us bring authentic cat psychology to every owner who wants to build the ultimate bond with their pet. The third habit is speaking directly to your cat as if they comprehend your words. Scientific research confirms that cats easily distinguish their primary owner's voice from complete strangers. They are not tuning you out. They are registering your vocal tones as a comforting anchor of their territory. Further research proves that cats recognize the unique sound of their assigned name. When your cat makes a soft vocal chirp and you reply, you are engaged in a real dialogue from their perspective. Domesticated cats evolved specific vocalizations primarily to communicate with humans. When you answer back, even with a quiet sentence, you complete a communication loop your cat intentionally opened. The owners with the most affectionate pets are simply the ones who regularly converse with their animals. Keep chatting out loud, and use their name consistently, because to your feline, those small interactions mean everything. The fourth habit is encouraging your cat to mark you with their scent. Why does your cat push their forehead against your hand or rub their cheeks along your leg? Your cat is actively marking you as part of their family group. They possess specialized scent glands along their cheeks, forehead, and chin. When they rub those areas against you, they deposit unique chemical signals that combine with your natural scent. Felines build a shared group scent profile across their home environment, indicating that everyone present belongs together. When you constantly scrub every trace of hair off their favorite spot or push them away mid-rub, you disrupt that comfort zone. Allow them to complete those physical greetings whenever possible. To your cat, sharing a unified home scent is the ultimate foundation of mutual trust. The fifth habit is using the gentle, slow blink to communicate affection. Imagine being able to clearly convey deep trust to your cat without saying a single word. When a feline looks directly at you, slowly closes their eyes, and holds them closed for a brief moment, they are actively telling you that they feel completely secure in your presence. The great news is that this nonverbal conversation works both ways. Look over at your cat with a relaxed expression, slowly close your eyelids, hold them shut for a second, and open them just as softly. Try this technique today and watch their reaction closely. Many cats will return the slow blink almost immediately, creating a moment of mutual understanding that bridges the gap between species. The sixth essential habit is simply existing peacefully together in the exact same room. This is the quiet technique mentioned earlier that so many owners ignore. It involves no high-energy games, no special snacks, and no verbal chatter. It is simply you sitting calmly in the same space as your cat, expecting absolutely nothing from them in return. Every other form of interaction asks something from your cat, demanding that they play, respond, or accept touching. But frequently, your pet simply wants to sit nearby, knowing your presence is calm and safe. When you allow them to settle a few feet away without forcing an interaction, you demonstrate true respect for their boundaries. This passive acceptance is the real reason cats follow you from room to room just to curl up nearby. To a cat, sharing. A peaceful space without pressure is the ultimate expression of true companionship.